Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. This is King Throne Week. How to fix that overflowing toilet. This is the best DIYs that Apple Drains can give you on how to fix that toilet. Take a look. I think you'll find it not only entertaining, but also you'll be very educated about how to fix the overflowing toilet. Have you ever come down to the toilet, lifted up the lid, and found this? Yeah, there's a mess in there. And if we flush this, let's see what happens. Nothing. You can see it. It's trying to go down, but it's definitely backed up, just raising higher and higher. So what are you going to do? Some people say you can pour a bucket of water down there. Don't do this. Pouring a bucket of water created one big mess. Suggest you don't try the bucket of water. It really creates a big mess. So a lot of people say put that bucket of water in there. Don't do that. It might work if it's just waste, but I have a feeling that this is feminine products. So we're going to have to get out the auger and the plunger, and we might even have to pull the toilet to get that out of there, because I noticed up here on the top we've got some toys and some combs. These things easily drop down into the toilet, and it's going to get stuck inside the bowl or inside the trap of the toilet. For those of you that don't know what a plunger is, here's a plunger. And this plunger is pretty good because it has a stem. This is going to be able to help us force that water, give it more jet action. So if you have a plunger, if you don't have one, buy one that's got a nice stem on it. So we're going to start by getting some water into that plunger, and then we're going to see if we can't just push this stoppage out of here. Nope. You can see we're going to push this out. Some water gets out, but not enough. And of course, if we flush it, what do you think is going to happen now? Yeah, it's just filling right up to the top. It's going to overflow. I guess it'll stop. But yeah, it's definitely full. There's something lodged in there. Like I said, I have a feeling that it's feminine products. Kotex, tampons. These are things that never should be put down in a toilet. Number one, they are not biodegradable and they will not dissolve. They're going to get stuck in the sewer. If they get through here, they'll get stuck in the sewer, and then you've got even more of a problem. Okay, now we're going to try our toilet auger. It's basically just a snake. We're going to stick it down in there and see if we can't grab a hold of whatever's down there. What we do is we crank this handle up here and we just get it started. Get it to go all the way through. You got to push hard. Yep, can you see that water go down? So we know that we got through there, but did we get a hold of what was ever in there? Let's pull this cable back and see. Nothing on the end of it. Still see a lot of debris here. Let's go ahead and flush it and see what happens. Still rising up. Something's still down in there. So we need to run that auger again. See how it's trying to break free? But very slow. Something's still lodged down there. We need to put that auger in there one more time. got to really push hard. Remember, this is 6 feet of cable. 6 feet of cable. So this, from right here, we went all the way through the toilet down into the flange. Now we're going to pull it back. We'll let this toilet fill up and we'll flush it again. I think there's something still in here. Let's go ahead and pull this toilet and see what's going on. Okay, start by cleaning off the top of that tank, that lid, and then let's take the lid off. Be very careful with this lid because it could break very easily. Set it someplace safe. Notice the toilet's still filling. Let's go ahead and turn off the water supply. Got that empty. And what we're going to do is we're going to flush this and empty all that water out of the tank. We want all that water to disappear. We're going to pull this toilet, but we need to get rid of the water first. So you can see it's draining out of the tank. Now we're going to get it out of the bowl itself. We're going to use the plunger to get rid of as much water as we can. This looks like it's pretty low, but let's just push on it. Yeah, we're not going to get any more water out. So now we're ready to go ahead and disconnect that water supply and then also pull the toilet tank bolts. So right up here at the top, we can simply unscrew the water supply line. There might be a little water in here. Remember, we did shut it off, but might be a little water right here. So lay some towels down there to catch that water. We'll set this out off to the side. Next, we're going to go ahead and pull these toilet bolts. So get your wrench out and take these nuts off. Remember, this is just a demonstration. They might be a little tougher than that on yours. But so I've got one there, and I've got another one on the other side. Take this one off. After these come off, we'll be able to pull this toilet up and roll it over on its side and take a look to see what is going on with that toilet. Remember how slow it flushed? Take good care of your nuts and bolts. You might want to put them back. Usually we replace these nuts and bolts when we pull the toilet, but just take care of them. Make sure you got them all. Okay, to pull the toilet, I suggest that you grab it right between the tank and the bowl and get your weight over top of it. It's a very heavy object. This china is heavy. We're going to rock it back and forth because there's a wax seal. Break that seal, and then we can lift it up. If you want to go someplace, you just waddle it back and forth. Let's go ahead and lay it down and take a look and see what's underneath of there. What can you see? Do you see that? Let me bring the camera over. Remember how slow it flushed? There's the Kotex, all wrapped up nice and neat. What a mess. Do not flush Kotex or tampons down your toilet. That will happen every time. Okay, I went ahead and reset the toilet, put the toilet bolts back on, connected the water supply. Now we're ready to test this, but don't just flush water. You need to put some paper in there to make sure. Let's see what it does. Good swirling action. See, it took that waste right out of the toilet. Beautiful flush action. Looking really good. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.